one of the best scientific minds we have today.
Today with Faven, we'll be going over how to make your very own DIY PVC lighting stands. So for this application, you'll want one 18-inch piece, two 12-inch pieces, six 6-inch pieces, 4 T's, 6 end caps, and your PVC cutter. So now that you have cut and prepped all your pieces, you can begin assembly. So what you want to do is take 2 of your T's, put it on your longest piece, on either end, take your 2 shorter pieces, put it in the bottom, take 2 of your 6-inch pieces, put them in the top, and you can take your last 2 T's, start making your feet. Take your other 6-inch pieces and begin placing them on either side of these T's. And there your stand is built. Just add in the caps. You have successfully built your own DIY lighting stand. Now that you have successfully built your first stand, you can then repeat the process for as many stands you need for your application. Keep in mind the measurements we used for this video may not apply to your grow, so always measure your tables first and get the correct length for your PVC. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward and easy process. Thank you for watching.